Xbox One X. As you can see, we're getting video. Now, at the shop, they were not able to get it to go above 720p. I've been able to get it to 1080p, but it's doing that right there. It's blanking out every few minutes, seconds, whatever. Yep, there we go. Anyway, I'm hoping that this is a retimer issue. If not, the other options are probably not great. So we're going to shut it down and attempt to do some testing around the HDMI and stuff just to make sure, and then we'll go from there. Okay, we're back out of the housing and ready to perform some basic testing. I'm going to take a look at this HDMI port first. Switch you to microscope so you can follow along. Make sure everything looks solid down here. Just to be sure. Everything seems solid. Very good. Alright, let's do some basic testing. Make sure nothing is out of the ordinary between. Okay. Make sure nothing is grounded that shouldn't be. Okay. Make sure we got throughput. Okay, everything seems alright. As the retimer is partially functional, I'm not expecting that we'll get the strange readings or the low ohm rating, but we'll see. Still new at measuring these, so. We are actually getting the low ohm rating there. Yeah, this should be in the thousands of ohms, so that's interesting. Good thing to note. Let's go ahead and measure our cap by the ESD IC. And again, we're getting low ohm ratings. We should be getting high ohm ratings. So, pretty good bet that the retimer is our problem. Now, as I stated in previous videos, it's not a 100% that the retimer is going to display in that way, but if you're getting that low ohm rating, it's pretty much a 100% bet that it is the retimer. So, okay. So, while I'm setting up my equipment, I'll throw up my temperatures, my expected temperatures for this repair. Okay. Back to microscope. Do what we always do. Or do it how we always do it. Pull the chip, put a new one on, and test from there. Okay, let's do one last inspection, then we're going to test the capacitor again. The capacitors. It's really good. I'll clean it up more thoroughly off screen here. Everything looks really good. Let's test. In ohms mode. Okay, we're back to a really high rating, as you can see there in the bottom right. And we'll test the one over by the ESD IC. Ow, without stepping myself would be preferable. Yep, and we're back to a really high rating. Okay, so hopefully this will solve the problem. I'm going to finish cleaning up off screen, and then we'll reassemble and perform a test. Come back from there. Okay, we're back up and running, and we're really just trying to monitor for the flickering. That we were getting before. So far it's not blacked out at all. It did it multiple times before, so. Okay, so I'm going to sit here and monitor it for just a little bit off screen, but so far I'm pretty satisfied that that has solved our problem. I'll come back with an update if it didn't, or a summary if it did. Okay, so in summary, we had an Xbox One X flickering black screen. I was pretty confident there was going to be the retimer in this situation. We went in, we disassembled, we tested, we were getting a low ohm rating around the retimer and the ESD IC. Again, that's not a 100%er. The retimer can fail without presenting that fault, but if you're getting that fault, it's almost 100% going to be the retimer. So we changed out the retimer, tested it, we're no longer getting the flickering black screen, and everything seems to be good. So that's really it for this repair. If you have any questions about the equipment I used in this video, take a look in the description below. They're all linked down there. If you like this video, do me a favor and hit the like button. And if you want to see more videos like it, hit the subscribe button, maybe the notification bell, and you'll know when I post videos, which right now is about twice a week. If you have any questions, please post them down in the comments below. I'll do my best to answer them or direct you somewhere I think can answer them. And that's really all I had to ask of you. I appreciate you watching. I appreciate the channel support, and we'll see you next time.